Did you know there's a jellyfish that never dies? Or that a sloth can hold its breath longer than a dolphin? Today, we're counting down 10 strange facts you won't believe are true. Stick around because number 1 is the weirdest of all. Number 10, the immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish is found in the Mediterranean and can reset its life cycle by reverting to its polyp stage, making it biologically immortal. That is, of course, unless some other sea creature eats it. Number 9, bananas are berries. Not only are bananas berries, but so are avocados, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Meanwhile, strawberries are not. We say it's a fruit, but really it's an accessory fruit formed from the ovaries of multiple flowers that grow close together on the strawberry plant. Now you know, just don't go telling people strawberries are actually a false fruit. You might think you've completely lost your mind. Number 8. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have been swimming the oceans of our planet for 400 million years. Trees, however, did not appear until 350 million years ago. So when it comes to life on Earth, sharks win the race. Number 7. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. While researching the blue blood of horseshoe crabs, scientists found that the blood of certain species of octopus is also blue. Normally, blood is red due to the iron content of the blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. But in these creatures, the blood contains a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which turns the blood blue. Octopuses also have 3 hearts, 2 of which pump blood through their gills, and the third pumps it around the rest of their body. How many hearts do you have? Well, if you're watching this video, then it's safe to assume you have only 1. And if you have 2, you could be the extremely rare 1 in 100 million people born with 2 hearts. Now you know why they call octopuses super creatures. Number 6. More stars than grains of sand on Earth. NASA believes that for every grain of sand on all the beaches of the world, there is a star in space. And considering that the world's tiniest grains of sand are between 40 and 60 nanometers across, that means there must be at least 10 to the 18 stars in the universe. Let that sink in for a second. We keep finding ourselves getting lost in space and time when thinking about just how big the universe is. And if you want to see something truly mesmerizing, check out our video 10 mind-blowing space mysteries. Fact. Number 5. Sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, longer than dolphins. Dolphins famously have to surface every 15 minutes or so to breathe. Otherwise, they would drown. In comparison, sloths can hold their breath for about 40 minutes, which is pretty impressive considering they're mammals. Their trick is slowing their metabolism way down. In fact, a sloth's resting heartbeat is just 20 to 30 beats per minute, compared to a human's 60 to 100. But there is one thing a sloth cannot do, and that is run fast. Watch our video 10 sloth facts to find out why. Number 4. Koala fingerprints. Koala fingerprints are so similar to human fingerprints that it can confuse forensic experts. DNA testing would obviously clear up any confusion, but some scientists have suggested that maybe it's better to leave well enough alone and let the koala enjoy its rightful place as an adorable, furry animal, rather than having to stick its paws on a cold, hard glass and ruin the cuteness. Do you agree? Tell us in the comments below. Number 3, your stomach lines itself every 3 to 4 days. Every time you eat, your stomach produces mucus and new cells to protect it from being digested by its own acids. When the stomach senses food is coming, it does a little dance to move the old lining down and make room for the new one. Mucus and new cells grow in its place, and then it all slides back up again. If you don't eat, the stomach thinks there's no need to renew its lining quite so often. So instead, it moves everything down and makes a fresh start. Maybe that's why eating breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Number 2, the giant mushroom. A giant fungus that weighs an estimated 200 pounds and covers more than 2 zoozoid acres in the Muller National Forest in Oregon is the largest living organism on Earth. It's a honey mushroom colony that grows in the forest. And although it's been around for an estimated 400 years, it's still growing. What's really crazy is that this particular species of honey mushroom is known for destroying entire forests. So imagine what this one could have done had it been given the chance. Instead, it's now protected, and we're happy to share its majesty with you. But speaking of majesty, there's nothing majestic about a toothache. And if you have one, chances are you're familiar with this next fact. Number 1. Wombats' poop cubes. with wombats, those cute little Australian marsupials are known for producing cube-shaped poop. Until recently, no one was sure why wombats pooped in cubes, but scientists have a few theories. Since male wombats mark their territory by leaving piles of poop along the sides of trees, maybe the cube shape helps it stay in place. It could also be related to the unique shape of their digestive system. Whatever the reason, though, it's certainly one of nature's most fascinating quirks. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos every day.